Good to see you on Saya Resum, where every gadget tells a story and every review uncovers the facts. Today, we'll peel back the marketing gloss to reveal what really matters. Today we're checking out one of the most interesting budget smartphones recently launched, the Oppo A6T. At first glance, this phone doesn't even look cheap. It has a clean design, a large smooth 120Hz display, water resistance, NFC support, and an absolutely massive 6100 mAh battery. And yet, it costs around just $160. So the big question is this the best practical budget phone you can buy right now? Let's take a closer look, starting with the unboxing experience. Oppo actually includes everything you need right in the box. You get a soft transparent case, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, paperwork, and even a 15-watt charger. That's something many brands don't include anymore, even on more expensive phones. So it's nice to see Oppo keeping things user-friendly. Now let's talk about the design. The Oppo A6T follows a modern flat frame style with squared edges and flat front and back panels. The dimensions come in at about 6.56 inches tall, 3.09 inches wide, and 0.34 inches thick, with a weight of roughly 7.2 ounces. In the hand, it feels solid and sturdy, not too heavy, but definitely reassuring. The frame is plastic, and the back uses reinforced organic glass. But Oppo's matte finish and geometric patterns make it look surprisingly premium. I actually like how simple the design is. Instead of oversized, flashy camera modules like some other brands, Oppo keeps things minimal and clean. The dual cameras sit neatly in the corner and don't stick out too much, so the phone lies flat on a table. On the right side, you'll find the volume buttons and a power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor. It's fast and very convenient. The left side holds the SIM tray. At the bottom, you still get all the essentials: a USB-C port, speaker, microphone, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone also comes with IP64 water and dust resistance, meaning it can survive splashes and light rain. That's great peace of mind for everyday use. Moving to the display, the Oppo A6T features a large 6.75-inch LCD screen with an HD resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. While it's not OLED or Full HD, it still looks perfectly fine for daily tasks like watching YouTube, browsing social media, or gaming casually. The 120Hz refresh rate is the real highlight here. Scrolling feels fluid, animations are smooth, and the phone feels faster than most budget devices. Brightness goes up to 1125 nits, so outdoor visibility is surprisingly good too. For media and entertainment, the big screen really helps. Even though there's only a single bottom speaker, it's loud enough for casual use. Now let's talk performance. Inside, the Oppo A6T runs on the Snapdragon 685 processor, built on a 6nm process. My version has 6GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, with support for virtual RAM expansion. This chip isn't meant for heavy gaming, but for everyday tasks, it runs smoothly. Social media, messaging, web browsing, and video streaming are all fast and stable. For gaming, titles like Arena of Valor run comfortably at 60 FPS on medium settings. PUBG Mobile can hit around 45 to 50 FPS on moderate settings. So it's definitely playable for casual gamers. On the software side, you get ColorOS based on Android 15. Oppo's software optimization is actually very good. Animations are smooth, gestures respond instantly, and the overall experience feels polished. One big bonus here is NFC. That's rare at this price. You can use it for contactless payments, digital ID cards, or quick wireless transfers. Finally, battery life, and this is where the Oppo A6T truly shines. It packs a huge 6100 mAh battery, Combined with the power-efficient Snapdragon chip, this phone easily lasts a full day. Sometimes even 2 days with light use. For students, delivery drivers, or anyone who's out all day, this battery life is a lifesaver. The only downside is charging speed. With just 15-watt charging, it takes longer to fully recharge. But considering the massive battery and low price, it's a fair trade-off. So overall, the Oppo A6T is a simple, durable, and practical budget phone. It may not be flashy, but it nails the basics: great design, smooth screen, stable performance, NFC, and incredible battery life. And honestly, for around $160, that's very hard to beat.